Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling another frustrating error that's been bothering Steam users, Error Code E20. If you're seeing this connection error when trying to access the Steam store or community features, I've got several solutions that should get you back to gaming in no time. First, let's start with the simplest fix. Sometimes Steam's download cache can get corrupted and cause this error. Let's clear it. Completely exit Steam, make sure it's not running in your system tray. Now, restart Steam and go to Settings, Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache at the bottom. You'll need to log in again, but this often resolves the E20 error immediately. If that didn't work, let's check your firewall settings. Sometimes Windows Firewall or your antivirus might be blocking Steam's connection. Press your Windows key and type Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall and click Allow an app through Firewall on the left. Click Change Settings and make sure both Steam and Steam Web Helper are checked for both private and public networks. If you don't see them, click Allow another app and browse to your Steam installation folder to add them. Still seeing the error? Let's try flushing your DNS. Press Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and run as administrator. Type IP protocol configuration /flushtons and press enter. Then type netwinsock reset and press enter again. You'll need to restart your computer after this. If you're still having issues, let's verify Steam's files. Go to your Steam library, right-click Steam in the list of applications, and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Tool Files. This will check for and replace any corrupted Steam files. For those still struggling, let's check your host's file. Sometimes malware or other applications modify this file and block Steam. Press Windows key, type Notepad, right-click and run as administrator. Click File Open and navigate to see :/Windows/System32/Drivers/ etc. Change the file type to All Files and open the host's file. Look for any lines containing Steam or Valve. If you find any, add a hashtag at the beginning of the line to comment it out. Save the file and restart. As a last resort, you might need to reinstall Steam. First, back up your game data and screenshots, then uninstall Steam through Control Panel. Delete any remaining Steam folders in Program Files and Program Files, x86, then download and install the latest version from Steam's website. I know that was quite a few steps, but one of these solutions should resolve that E20 error for you. For most people, clearing the download cache or flushing the DNS does the trick. If this guide helped you get back to your games, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech solutions. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you.